Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you're all well. Today video is an unboxing video. I've been waiting for this for quite a long time. I've been saving up for it. So without further ado, roll VT. Yes, well, without, as you all know, I've been canning, and to make it easier for me to skin and get rid of the seeds, I've bought this model 550 sauce strainer or food strainer sauce maker kit. This is it. The make is Victorio or Victory. Victory, or I don't know. It's but yeah, well, what we'll do is what it comes with is, let me just open it for you. I am still here. Right, we've got the hopper, which is that part there, and that's where you load all your nice apples or your tomatoes. We've got the plunger, or the enforcer if you want to knock someone over the head with it. It's plastic, it must push, and that pushes the food through the hopper. And then this part is this nozzle guard, and this must be where all the dry pulp comes out, the seeds and the skin. So yeah, and then let me move this out of the way. This is the main part of the machine, and then here is where you fix it to the work surface. Like that. And then this must fit on the end like that over there. And as you turn, it's metal, stainless steel. It is high quality. I'm sure it's up for the task. Let me get the rest of the bits out. What else is in the box? We've got the handle, and then we've got the tray, which fits round and where all the sauce comes out. So at least we know we've got it all there in the box. And then we've got the instructions. Yeah, you can buy I've got the warranty card, and that's the make. There you go. I just got to fill in the warranty card. There's obviously different things you can buy, which is the same make. And then this is just the instructions on how to fix it to a unit. And oh, it's got different applesauce, tomato salsa and sauces, apricots, peaches and pears, bananas, beans and peas, berries, pumpkins and squashes, potatoes, grapes and cherries. Everything tells you everything you need to know. Tells you how to assemble it. So yeah, well, the next video, we'll call this to a halt, and the next video we'll see me actually testing the product, and with my next harvest of tomatoes, and hopefully I will be able to give my honest opinion for my first time use. And then what I'll do is do another one a few months down the line and give my review after about 3 months of use. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, please give me a thumbs down, but at least tell me why you don't like the video. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. Please subscribe, give that bell a ding, and you'll be able to get all my episodes of my gardening and cooking, the produce I grow in the garden. So, because here at 50 Shades of Green, we like to look after our community as well as our veg. Please comment down below and check out the other people who comment. If you're not subscribed to them, give them a check out as well, please, because the more people share their content with each other, the more we can learn. Let's grow in our community. Let's grow our veg and flowers. Let's grow in knowledge together. So, without further ado, bye-bye for now.